before I start this yarn, make I first yarn this one where I want yarn because now one thing I want show now.
Guys, you people go there wondering which kind of video be this one. You understand? This is something that happened today for Kumasi today. This guy now is a Nigerian guy, Igbo guy for that matter. You understand? This guy went to this shop. You go see shop that I am zooming. You understand? She went to this shop. You understand? I don't want to talk much. Observe the video before I go explain everything for you. Observe the video.
There's camera. Look at the camera.
So guys, now what's happening for Ketiana? This guy and Igbo guy, I don't know what to do to talk about it. What the guy do? You understand? This shop now. Ghana person get down. What did you solve, bro? What did you solve?
Somebody steal something. I got to beg for this. He said my brother steal something.
What did you solve, man?
Fight. Go to police station. Don't fight.
Okay, what is the thing that is happening now? Is my brother just steal something? He said my brother steal something. He said my brother steal something. I just get inside that place. Okay, what in the shop now? He said my brother steal something. I come to beg. The guy carry point give me for nose. Until which level now?
Go to the police station.
Okay, we go police station.
Not be smart, no. You understand? So according to this guy, now hear what the guy talk. This guy entered this shop. You understand? Make he buy something, and then they told said it's something they lost inside that shop. You understand? Something they lost, and then tell and say, "I am brother, I am two brother waiting inside that shop already. I didn't thief am." You understand? After that, the guy told say no be in two brother thief am, or how the thing happen. Make them do peace. You understand? Make them do peace. Before you know what they happen, go for your eyes. They start to beat am because he's a Nigerian guy now, and an Igbo guy. Then they beat am blue and black. Then they beat am. Me self, as I see the way they beat this guy, the thing pay me. Oh, the thing pay me. If I carry anything for the agonako. You understand? Okay, if it's something lost inside that shop, una get CCTV camera, una get everything inside that shop because of saying a Nigerian guy, an Igbo guy for that matter. Una beat him like saying thief. You understand? The thing pay me. But I don't have much thing to say. If you be Igbo guy, you are coming to this Ghana to hustle. My brother, mind the kind of shop that you enter to buy something. You understand? Mind the kind of shop that you enter to buy something. This is the guy that beating this guy. This guy here, they did more than 5 people beating this guy. All of them are Ghanaian. As this Mugu way they here, we come out they shout thief, thief, thief. But Wesha, you know bad. You understand? Now my people are they blame because a lot of shop there for Kumasi now. Not be only this shop there for Kumasi. You understand? As you can see me, I'm a bad guy. I know where to enter and where to not enter. You understand? So I bring that mail na siamo. I waiting happen for Kumasi today. And if you not be me, if they don't allow me to do video, sir, they don't allow me to do video because they don't allow me to do video. I won't do video and ask that guy question. They don't allow me to do video. That is my point. And I waiting they verse me. That means they know the reason why they beat her, not because of say something lost. They know the reason why they beat her because they're in Nigeria. That's why they don't allow me to do video. They say I go report for police. The police where we go report now, no be Ghanaian. I been a Nigeria police. When I say I go report for police, police no be Ghanaian police. I been a Nigeria police. No be the same language they go you speak. I be they go speak English.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this very video I'm about to share with you guys is specifically for Ghanaians. Please, each and every Ghanaian should make sure he or she watch this video from beginning to the end. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
Conscious, Biafra, Abi IPOB, take rubbish our Nigerian army. Na beat all in face, na pan beat all in face, na rough hand, na beat her up. Na come make can do video under duress. Say una treat am well. Abeg, let me look this video. This person wey dey this video be like person wey dey alright. Na come talk say una go release am. Na for no release am. Na for see wetin, but make una see wetin go happen. Cause I know say this one wey una don do so. Na him dey wait me una do. Make dey fit enter una well. Because now there's a reason now. Wey they enter with their page now. And if when Nigerians see this one again, no that's what they don't do again.
Corporal Torela Adewale from Nigerian System Brigade. I'm starting with System Brigade in Nigeria, but I travel this Kigwe, which I entered the Biafra Liberation Army. And as they help me, it's almost 2 years now. make sure that they didn't do me any evil. They tell me that they are fighting for the liberation of the Biafra. That everything about me they want to know, and that's why I'm explaining. And they don't do me any evil since I come. They take care of me as I beg them to forgive me and pardon me for a second chance in life. So they said they have had me, that they are not to harm me or they are not wicked people. All what they want is to make sure that the Biafra liberate. So that is the reason why I'm here. I'm begging, and they said they are festive people that they will consider me, that they are not wicked people, that they will give me second chance.
What do you say is your name?
Operator Adewale.
You are a Yoruba man.
Yes, sir.
A Yoruba man. You see now that, and now you are in the hands of the Biafran Liberation Army.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the difference between the Zoo Janjaweed and the Biafran Liberation Army?
Yes, sir. I've seen the difference. It's not like we treated the Biafra people, the way we treated the Biafra. So this very one, he take care of me. Don't harm me, don't do me any food. Only ask me some questions as I answer. Say you are going to give me second chance.
Now, we are going to give you the second chance with one condition, that you will leave. You are going to leave Biafran land and never to come back again until Biafra is fully restored.
Yes, sir.
You now, what message do you have for your brothers, those idiots still remaining in that zoo military, that terrorist camp? What do you have to tell your brothers, those ones there? What message do you have for them?
My advice for my people, they still remain in the armed forces, Yoruba and the Igbo, whosoever. My advice for them is for everybody to go back to their own area, their own state, their own region, so that everybody will go on their own. That is my advice for them.
Tell them, call them, those ones remaining from that place that you serve. Tell them your name so that they will see you very clearly. They know you. Tell your colleagues.
My advice to the soldiers, 16th brigade, is that they should make sure that they resign and go to their own various area, because when the Nigeria divide, everybody go on their own. That is my advice for them. As you can see, the Biafra is a thing that they come to pass. As the people are agitating, maybe people, everybody go on their own. That is my advice for them.
What message do you also have for your president, your Janjaweed president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu?
My advice for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to stop looking for Simon Ekpa, and to share the nation, let the Biafra people go, and any other people that they seek for their own nation, so that everybody will go on their own, if it be. That is my advice.
So this message is for those people out there talking rubbish that Biafran Liberation Army, that we are terrorists. Look at the Fulani terrorists, the Fulani Janjaweed, the Nigerian terrorists, the Nigerian Janjaweed, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This is your security. See, our strong message to you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have had it from your so-called terrorist soldier. Release Nnamdi Kanu and stop looking for Biafran Liberation Army commanders. You cannot get them. We are not evil like you people. As you are leaving this particular place today, you are going back to Yoruba land. Go and fight for your own nation. We are Biafran Liberation Army. We are not terrorists. We believe and practice. You cannot fight the IGBO'S. You cannot fight us. We cannot fight Biafran Liberation Army. We are giving you a very...
Me, I trust Nigerian army. I know say na no go fit watch this season finish. Now don't start am, no problem. Maybe they watch.
So any Ghanaian feeling bad the way he or she is treating Igbos in Ghana, let's not even talk about Ghanaians, any person in any country, either South Africa, Tanzania, or any other part of Africa, all over the world that is feeling the step they've taken to sending Nigerians or IGBO'S, let me be specific, IGBO'S out of their country. Today I'm telling you, anybody feeling bad about it should never feel bad. That person should worry no more. Worry no more, worry no more, worry no more. Because these people, they are dangerous. Yes, proof is everywhere. Proof of what they are doing is everywhere. Can you imagine? Today, they call themselves Igbo. Tomorrow, they call themselves Biafra. I've never seen a confused tribe like this very tribe called Igbo. I've never come across people that claim they know everything. Yeah, they know it all, but know nothing. All they do is to make fool of themselves everywhere they go. They are calling them terrorists in Nigeria because they don't have a country yet. Yes, obviously, you guys don't have a country yet. So, who are we to call terrorists? It's not you. All right. So, these very people who are terrorists are calling Nigerian army terrorists. So, you are Nigeria. Who are the terrorists? Is it you or Nigeria? I mean, Nigerian army. Can you imagine the way they humiliated this army? They humiliated him. They even made him to go against the law. Oh my God. Can you imagine? Look at how Nigerian military are suffering. They are dying every day for our safety. But you can imagine these terrorists calling them terrorists. I never knew this is what is happening all this while. I never knew. This video broke me into pieces because, see, you terrorists, you are calling yourself the real army. Who gave you the country? Do you have a country of your own yet that you are calling yourself the real army and calling a country that already have their army terrorists? Can you imagine? So, if your country are sending Nigerians or IGBO'S, let me be specific, IGBO'S out of your country, you guys are doing well. You guys are doing well because look at what IGBO'S are doing in Nigeria. Look at what they are doing in Nigeria. They caught an army officer and they made him to advise the president of Nigeria and likewise his mate. Yes, they asked him to advise them. As you've heard from the video, this is really, really sad. Even if it takes that, me, Delphina, I'm going to leave where I am and return back to my country. Yes, I'm ready to do that just for the country I am to have their peace. I'm ready to do that. But look at these people. The IGBO'S, they are the ones causing confusion in Nigeria. Yes, they're the ones causing confusion in Nigeria. I'm being specific because the video said it all. Do you have any objection? If you do, then the comment section is open for you to drop your point. Yes, they're the ones causing confusion in Nigeria. And they are the same people coming into other people's country causing confusion. So where do they want us to run to and have peace of mind? In your country, you don't want to allow people in your country have peace of mind. You run to another country, we cannot have peace of mind because of Igbo people. Which kind of wahala be this? If you look at Shawon at them, they put there. If you look at kidnapping at them, if you look at like almost everything at them, there's no place these Igbo people don't they. They are everywhere. If we don't like you, we will not come out and be saying all of this. We want you guys to change. We want a better Igbo. If you guys want Biafra, give it time. Yes, everything will happen. I'm not saying what Tinubu is doing in Nigeria is good though. I'm not saying that. I will come to that in another video. Guys, now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there I believe they will watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.